Okay. Okay, wait. Why are we laughing already? We didn't even start the lesson yet.
Because I already know what is going to happen. People will say, I can't speak English. I'm shy. I'm afraid. And then after this lesson, they will be like, oh, maybe I can actually do it.
Exactly. So if you are watching this right now and you think, I'm not confident in English, don't worry. You are in the right place.
Yes, today is your day. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, you start speaking with confidence. And we are going to do it together, step by step, with simple English, with practice, and yes, with a little bit of fun.
So relax, smile a little. Yes, I know you're serious right now, but relax. Learning English doesn't have to be stressful. It can be enjoyable.
All right, take a deep breath and let's begin.
Let me ask you something very simple. When you want to speak English, what happens inside your head? Do you start thinking too much? Do you say, is this correct? Is this wrong? Should I say this or that?
Yes, that happens to many people. Your brain becomes very busy, and then your mouth becomes very quiet.
That is the problem. Too much thinking, not enough speaking.
Exactly. So today we are going to change that. We are not going to think too much. We are going to speak more.
Even if it is not perfect.
Especially if it is not perfect.
Let's say it together. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to speak.
Now, listen carefully. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
Yes, and right now, maybe your confidence is small. Maybe it is very quiet, but that's okay. We are going to grow it together.
Step by step, word by word, sentence by sentence. And don't worry if you make mistakes. We actually want you to make mistakes.
Yes, because mistakes are your best teacher.
Let me tell you something funny. One time I wanted to say I am full because I finished eating, but I said I am full of food everywhere.
What? That sounds like a disaster.
Yes, everyone looked at me like, what is happening?
But you remember it now, right?
Of course, I will never forget that mistake.
That's the power of mistakes. They stay in your memory. Now, let's do something very important. We are going to slow down.
Yes, slow down your speech. Slow down your thinking.
Many learners want to speak fast because they think fast means fluent.
But fast and confused is not better than slow and clear.
Exactly. So let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am learning English.
Again, I am learning English.
Very good. Now one more time, but relax your voice. I am learning English.
You see, you are in control. Now let's talk about something else, simple English.
This is very important. You don't need big, complicated words to speak well.
In fact, simple English makes you more confident.
Because you understand it, you can use it easily. You don't get lost.
Let's practice some simple sentences. I like this. I don't like this. I understand. I don't understand.
Repeat after us. I like this. I don't like this. I understand. I don't understand.
Very good. Keep going.
Now, let's make it a little more interesting. Imagine you're in a conversation. Someone speaks too fast. What do you say?
You say, can you speak slowly, please? Repeat, can you speak slowly, please?
Again, can you speak slowly, please?
Good. Now you are controlling the conversation.
Now, let's talk about your voice.
Yes, your voice is powerful. Even if your English is simple, your voice can make you sound confident.
If you speak too softly, people will not feel your confidence.
But if you speak clearly, even simple words sound strong.
Let's try something. Say this softly. Hello.
Now say it again, but strong. Hello.
Feel the difference?
That is confidence.
Now we are going to practice with more energy. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you?
Again, hello. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. Keep that energy. Now let's talk about daily practice.
This is where everything changes.
You don't need a perfect environment. You don't need a teacher all the time.
You just need consistency.
Every day, speak a little.
Even 5 minutes.
Even alone.
Yes, talk to yourself.
It may sound funny, but it works.
Sometimes I talk to myself in the kitchen. I say, okay, now I'm cooking. Now I'm eating.
I do the same thing.
Really?
Yes, and sometimes I ask myself questions.
And do you answer?
Of course. Now let's move to thinking in English.
This is a powerful step.
When you think in English, you stop translating.
And when you stop translating, you speak faster and more naturally.
Start small. I am tired. I am hungry. I am happy. Repeat. I am tired. I am hungry. I am happy.
Good job.
Now we do a confidence exercise.
This is very important.
Repeat with energy. I am confident.
I am confident.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I improve every day.
I improve every day.
Now let's go deeper. Confidence is also about your body.
Yes, your posture matters.
Stand straight. Lift your head.
Open your shoulders.
When your body is strong, your voice becomes stronger.
Try it now. Sit or stand straight.
And say, I am confident.
Again, I am confident.
You feel the difference.
Now let's imagine a situation.
You meet someone for the first time. What do you say?
Hello, nice to meet you.
Repeat. Hello, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Simple, natural, confident. Now let's practice a short conversation.
Repeat after us.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. You are doing great.
Yes, step by step, you are improving.
And remember, confidence grows with practice.
Not with waiting.
Before we finish, let's do one last powerful practice.
Say it like you mean it.
I believe in myself.
Again, I believe in myself.
One more time. I believe in myself.
You did something important today.
You didn't just listen, you spoke.
And that is how confidence begins.
So continue. Practice again tomorrow.
Speak more, think less.
And believe in yourself.
We will see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.